My screen is visible. Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is my first class, and I am going to discuss differential equation. Okay. This is, I think, this belongs to your syllabus, module 4, unit 4, I think, unit 4 or 5. So first portion matrix determinant, जो मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटर्मिनेंट पोर्शन वो हाशम सर स्टार्ट करेंगे, हम सिर्फ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन करेंगे, ठीक है. So this is online class and first class. So if any problem arising regarding class and any doubt arises, so all of you freely ask me, ठीक है. First of all, what is differential equation? Differential equation on first order and first degree. What is the differential equation of first order and first degree? First of all, what is the differential equation of first order? What do you mean by first order and first degree? Okay. So any differential equation of the form, suppose all of you know in class 12 dy dx x plus something into x equal to something into x. The dy dx, when dy dx is present only, then we can say that this is the first order differential equation. Okay. And power of dy dx, which is called degree, this is first order. Degree of that equation is also 1. If the equation becomes, suppose dy dx whole square plus 3x equal to 0, this is also another differential equation. What is the order of the differential equation?
First order.
Sir, first
First
order.
order.
What?
Its degree of the differential equation is
So 2 degree.
2.
degree is 2. Okay. Next, also this is another differential equation, d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole power cube. This is whole power square plus 3x4 equal to 0. Now tell me what is the this mute. Now tell me what is the degree and order of the differential equation?
Sir, degree is 2.
Both are 2.
Both are 2. Okay. So d2y, this is order. Here dy dx is present and d2y dxt is also present. So degree of the equation is dy not d2, maximum is d2. So degree is 2 and order of the differential equation is maximum power of d2y dx2, which is 2, highest power. So degree is also 2 and order is also 2 there. d2y dx2, so order is also 2. Now, what is the differential equation first order first degree? So any differential equation of the form this is called first order and first degree differential equation. dy dx plus something into x equal to something into x, or any constant here also rx. So first order means dy dx equal to function of x in this form. Any equation of this form is called first order first degree differential equation. All of you know also formation of differential equations and how to solve. There are some type of differential equations of first order and first degree. All of you know also how to formation of differential equation, how to form any differential equation. And next, we read what is the exact differential equation. When a differential equation is said to be exact, what is exact differential equation? Well, any differential equation first order first degree. So dy dx plus something into x plus something into x or y, x y equal to 0. We can write in this form. For example, suppose dy dx equal to x square minus y, dy dx equal to x square minus y by x minus y square, suppose, or y cube. This is a differential equation. Okay, so this can be written as x minus y square into dy equal to x square minus y into dx. Okay, so or we can write m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So any first order first degree differential equation can be written in this form also. Is it clear? Here m means x square minus y and n means x minus y square. This is an example. Okay, suppose this is an example. So any first order differential equation, any first order first degree differential equation can be written in this form: m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Clear? Where m is the function of x and y. Here m equal to x square minus y means function of x and y, and n equal to x minus y square. This is also the function of x and y. Okay. Clear? So any first order first degree differential equation can be written as m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay. So when a differential equation is said to be exact, so any first order first degree differential equation can be written in this form: m dx plus n is a function of x comma y dy equal to 0. Clear? So this is a first order first degree linear differential equation, first order first degree differential equation, where m is a function of x comma y. This can be written in this form also: m dx plus n dy 0. That means m is a function of x comma y and n means n is a function of x comma y, where m and n are function of x. So this differential equation exact. When it is called exact, it is called exact if there exists an element u. Means if this equation can be written d of something equal to 0 or some constant. Means if the integration is possible, then that differential equation is called exact. Exact means directly this, if we differentiate this expression can be written as d of something function of xy equal to some 0. So if we integrate this, then suppose d of u equal to 0. If we integrate this both sides, so we can write easily u equal to c some constant. Okay, means solution of the differential equation of the from this, then this equation is called exact. So what is the necessary and sufficient condition? For example, suppose one example is here: y dx plus, I will give one example, x dy equal to 0. So it is m dx, m is y, n is x. M dx, m is y and n is x. So this can be written as d of x comma y equal to 0. Using chain rule, d of u into v, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of y. So y dx plus x dy. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So if we integrate both sides, so xy equal to c. This is the solution of that differential equation, original differential equation. This is the solution of that differential equation. Yeah. So that differential equation is exact because its solution can be written in this form, and this is the solution ultimately. So now our target is to find the necessary and sufficient condition. Find the necessary and sufficient condition. What is the necessary and sufficient condition? So the necessary and sufficient condition necessary and sufficient condition. Necessary and sufficient condition that m dx plus n dy equal to 0 be exact. This is the first order first degree differential equation. It is exact if del m del y equal to del n del x. Okay. If this condition exact, if this condition holds, del m del y equal to del n del x, means partial derivative of m with respect to y, del m del y, and partial derivative with respect to x, del n del x. If these two are equal, then we can say that this is exact. Any doubt up to this?
Sir, repeat it again. It's not clearly visible.
Okay. So any differential equation of first order and first degree, this can be written in this form. Is it clear? I think m dx plus n dy, where m is a function of x and y and n is a function of x and y.
Condition, this is necessary and sufficient condition.
Hello. Sorry, एक कॉल है. Sorry. अच्छा सुनिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग स्टार्ट किया है एनी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. दिस इज ऑफ दिस फॉर्म dy dx इक्वल टू f of x एक्चुअल फंक्शन ऑफ x comma y. This is first order first degree differential equation. This also we can prove it. This differential equation can be written in this form also. Okay. So ultimately this differential equation is said to be exact when if it can be written in this form also. That means if this differential equation can be written as d of something function of x comma y equal to 0, and then we can easily integrate this. So we can easily obtain its solution u equal to c in this form, and that differential equation is called exact. And now what is the necessary and sufficient condition that this differential equation is exact? So the condition is that del m del y condition of exactness. A first order first degree differential equation is exact only when this condition is sufficient. This condition is satisfied. This is a necessary and sufficient condition, that is important. Necessary and as well as sufficient condition. So for example, suppose the first example, the x square minus y into dx. Okay. First example, this is, now tell me this differential equation is exact or not. Check it. dy dx equal to x square minus y by x of example 1. Now how to check this differential equation is exact or not? Using its necessary and sufficient condition. So first of all, here dy dx equation dy dx equal to x square minus y by y minus x square. This can be written as, first of all, this differential equation. This is the differential equation of first order first degree. This can be written as m dx plus n dy. So m dx means x square minus y dx plus y minus x square into minus y. First of all, this can be written as x square minus y into dx equal to y minus x square into dy. Next, this can be written as minus y minus x square dy equal to 0. Differential equation of the form m dx plus n dy. Okay, it is of the form m dx plus n dy plus n dy equal to 0. Look at here, m dx plus n dy. So this differential equation is of the form, it is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m equal to x square minus y and n equal to, tell me, n equal to
square.
no,
Y
here
minus X
minus, so x square minus y, minus
X
of y minus x
minus
square.
Y.
Okay.
X square minus y.
So x square minus y. Next, how to check this is exact or not? Test this condition, del m del y equal to del n del x. So first of all, calculate del m del y. Del m del y equal to, so differentiate m with respect to y partially. So treat x as a constant. Okay, differentiating m with respect to y. That is 0 and minus y is minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And also del n del x, calculate del n del x. Del n del x is also
2x.
del m del x is also n is y square minus
2x.
del m del y is minus 1. Del n here.
So 2x over the del n del x.
Del n del x is 2x. If del n del x is 2x, n is x square. Sorry, here x square minus y by x square minus y हो गया. Y square minus x. Okay. Ultimately, this is same. Cancel हो जाएगा. So this is x square minus y. This is y square minus x. Y square minus x. Otherwise, x square minus y and y minus x square is same ultimately. Minus 1 हो जाएगा. dy dx equal to minus 1. Y square minus x. X minus y. Okay.
তাহলে প্লাস 1 হয়ে যাবে ওটা শুধু 1
plus m x square minus y and y square minus x. N is y square minus x. Okay. This is plus 1 হয়ে যাবে। Very good. So this is not equal, as these two are not equal, so this equation is not exact. Del n del x
sir.
because here this is a necessary and sufficient condition, and for that reason if it is not equal, so the given differential equation is not exact. Okay, what is the procedure to solve the original differential equation? How to solve the original differential equation? Suppose this is exact, so what is the procedure to solve any first order first degree exact differential equation? If the equation becomes exact, then how to solve this equation? Solution technique. First of all, check. So exam में ऐसे क्वेश्चन रहेगी, so prove that the differential equation is exact or not. Okay, so how to check? If we check only del m del y equal to del n del x or not. If it is equal, then the original differential equation is exact, and if it is not equal, then the original differential equation is not exact. So since it is exact, so another equation is, suppose x square minus y into dx. Suppose another equation, x square minus y into dx. Acha, another equation, suppose cos y plus y sin x, cos y plus y cos x into dx plus sin x minus x sin y dy equal to 0. Now tell me, this is exact or not? Test. All of you do this. Check this.
Sir, not
This is
exact problem.
non-exact. Why?
Sir, हमने cos y derivative minus sin y, sin x derivative cos x.
This is exact or not? So here m is, it is of the form m dx.
So
M dx. Compare this
cos y-
equation with that equation. M dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is the function of xy and n is the function of xy. Sin x minus x sin y. So now calculate, where m is this and n is this. Now calculate del m del y. Del m del y is, suppose here cos y, derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and here plus cos x. because cos x is constant, derivative of y is 1. So del m del y is this. What is del n del x?
So cos x minus sin y.
Cos x minus sin y.
Cos x minus sin y.
So these two are equal.
Exact.
Sir,
So it is
Sir?
exact.
sir,
Yes.
you cos x minus x sin y.
Cos x minus
X sin y.
which कौन सा?
So dn by del n by del
Partial
x.
derivative now.
Del n del x. So here n is this sin x minus x sin y. Sin x minus x sin y. This is n. So del n del x. So sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, and here sin y is constant. If we differentiate this with respect to x partially, this is partial differentiation. So sin y is constant. So sin y into x, derivative of x is 1. So minus sin y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
স্যার আপনার নেটওয়ার্কে একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, মানে স্ক্রিনটা স্পষ্ট দেখা যাচ্ছে না মাঝে মাঝে।
মনে হয় তোমার নেটের প্রবলেম, আমরা শুনতে দেখতে পেয়েছি তো।
ना my network is strong I think. मेरा तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
हाँ
आपको हो
सर,
सकता है।
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अच्छा, आफ्टर एंडिंग द क्लास आई विल सेंड अ पीडीएफ आल्सो, ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा नोट्स एंड जो पिक्चर भेज देंगे। तो आई थिंक जिसको जो प्रॉब्लम होगी उसके बाद
স্যার কন্টিনিউ করুন স্যার।
क्लियर हो जाए। सो दिस इज अ एग्जैक्ट ओके। ठीक है, दिस इज एग्जैक्ट ओके। सो नेक्स्ट हाउ टू प्रोसीड्यूर टू सॉल्व एनी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर first degree differential equation, how to solve it. So the solution technique is, first of all, if the equation is exact, so first equation is, where is the first equation? This. First of all, solve this equation, this example. First of all, check that equation is exact. If it is exact, then its solution, how to solve. So this m dx, this is m dx, actual procedure, procedure is step 1, integrate m dx and treating as y is constant. What is the procedure? First step, integration m dx and treat as y as a constant. Okay, treat as y is constant, m dx. This is first step. Second step, here m dx plus n dy, differential equation is, original differential equation is m dx plus n dy. Second step is equal to 0. N dy, integrate n into dy, okay? And treat as x is constant. If x is constant, integrate this. And this, what will be the solution? The solution is ultimately, the solution is m dx plus n dy for right only common terms only once only, exactly. That means, so this is, and thirdly directly written this plus this plus this equal to c, arbitrary constant. This plus this is the solution technique where c is any arbitrary constant, okay? But when we write the third step, the repeating terms, if any terms present here, suppose here x y, here x y plus something, suppose x square, here suppose y square, okay? So what is be the solution? Solution will be the repeating terms, write the repeat term only once only, xy plus x square plus y square plus equal to c. This is the solution. If any example, suppose m dx is this, n dy is this, if any term repeat, okay, if xy is repeat, then what will be the solution? Solution is xy plus x square plus y square equal to c. This will be the solution. So in our equation, in our problem, how to solve? In our problem is x square minus y into dx plus y square minus x into dy equal to 0. Okay, This is m dx plus n dy in of this form. It is of the form this, where m is this, n is this. Next, first step, integrate m dx. So m dx means so treat as y is constant. So integration becomes x square dx means x cube by 3. Y is constant, so minus y into integration dx means x. Okay, is it clear? Treat as
Hi.
y is constant. Yes. This integration is clear?
Yes,
X
sir.
square dx, x cube by 3. Y is constant here, so y constant and minus dx means x. And integration n dy, calculate integration n dy. Also integration n means y square minus x into dy equal to y cube by 3
Y cube by 3 minus xy
xy, as if x is constant.
constant. X is constant.
Okay, so therefore what will be the solution? So finally the required primitive or the required solution, directly we can write the required solution or required primitive. What is the required solution? First of all, x cube by 3 is
Minus
here,
xy
plus y cube by 3, and
Minus
minus
xy.
xy is present both the terms. So only one. Take only one. Minus x into y
equal to c.
equal to c. This is the solution, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay. So this can be written as ultimately x cube plus y cube. If we multiply both sides by 3 minus 3xy equal to 3c. 3c can be written as k. Okay. Where 3c equal to k. Where k is arbitrary constant. This is the solution of the given exact differential equation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, now solve this differential equation also. This is exact, so we can solve this differential equation. This is exact because if we check that these two are equal, so the given differential equation is exact. And now solve this. So first of all, calculate m dx. If it is exact, then the solution procedure is this, in this way. Okay. If it is not exact, then the solution procedure is different. We can use this method only if the first order, first degree differential equation is exact. Then we can use this. So del m del y. So calculate first of all m dx, and also calculate n dy. Calculate it where m, put the value of m here. M is cos y. So this equal to m dx. So where y is constant, treat as y is constant. So x dx. So x into cos y into integration dx. So x into cos y plus, so cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus y into sin x. Sorry, integration cos x, integration of cos x is sin x.
Sin x,
But
sir.
derivative is minus. Okay, so plus y sin x. Integration n dy, n is there, sin x minus x. N dy equal to. So derivative of sin x with respect to y. So sin x is constant. So x into sin y, x into sin x minus the integration of sin y is minus cos y. So plus x cos y.
So y into
Y
sin
into
x.
sin x.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Y into sin x. Okay. Here assuming x is constant, and in the above assuming y is constant. Okay. So therefore the required solution, what will be the required solution? Required primitive solution of the differential equation is x cos y, here x cos y. So only one term is present here, x cos y, here x cos y, here x cos y, here y sin x, here y sin x. So plus y sin x equal to c, where c is the arbitrary constant. This is the solution. Clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
in another way we can solve. So in another technique, so technique 2, in this way you can solve this differential equation also. Technique 2, this is rearrange. After rearranging the differential equation, you can solve easily. The original differential equation is this. This is the original differential equation. Okay. So this can be written as just arranging the differential equation, you can solve it. So this can be cos y dx. This is written as cos y into dx. This is first term, and from here minus x into sin y from last term. And next plus from second term, this is the first two term, this terms and this terms is here, this is y cos x dx. So dx into y cos x dx. So plus y cos x dx, y cos x dx plus sin x dy equal to 0. Next, you can write in the first using the chain rule, d of u into v. So x cos y, you can write in this form also, x into cos y plus here we can write also d of y into sin x equal to 0. So look at here, d of u into v. So u into x into derivative of cos y. So x into cos y means minus sin y, plus cos y into derivative of x is cos y into dx. So this equal to this, ultimately this equal to this. So next, after easily you can integrate d of something plus d of something. So after integrating, if we integrate both sides, so this can be written as yes, this is the actual solution. So you can solve the following differential equation in this way or in this way. Okay. Okay. So next, what is the integrating factor of any differential equation? There are some important differentials. All of you recall this differential also. Some important differentials. If dx plus dy, then you can write this equal to d of x plus y. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
So if minus, then it is minus here, dx plus minus. Number 2, if x dx plus y dy, you can write this d of half x square plus half y square. Is it clear? If we did differentiate this, 2x, so x dx, 2y dy, so y dy, 2 to cancel. Okay, and is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, x square dx or x cube dx, if this is x square dx, y square dy, there are also some differential in a standard differential. In the next chapter, we study about another some important differential also. Here only some basic differential here, 1 by 3x y cube. If d of this can be written d of this, then if we integrate this, easily you can write the solution of the differential equation. Next, define integrating factor, and then I will stop here. What is integrating factor? What is integrating factor of any differential equation?
So if a differential equation in form of linear differential equation, then it comes to find out the integration factor.
No. In class 12, you learn what is the integrating factor of a first order linear differential equation. Okay, but in any differential equation, integrating factor means if we integrating factor means this is a factor of x and y. This is a function of x and y, and if we multiply the original differential equation with, suppose u is called integrating factor. When u is called integrating factor, if suppose there is some in the some differential equation, you read of class 12, if dy dx plus dx equal to qx, this is called first order linear differential equation, and its integrating factor is
Yes, sir.
this in e to the power integration p dx. Okay,
PDX, yes, sir.
this is integrating factor of that particular differential equation. Okay, first of all, this is first order, first degree linear